smell wet. R-E-D when I can smell wet.
What are you girls doing?
Clean dishes together.
Ah, who's washing?
Me.
Who's rinsing?
I'm
Lucy?
mostly doing too.
What are you doing?
She's helping me with the bubbly part.
These are our sweet potato slips, if anybody had never tried those before.
I know where those strings are coming from.
They're roots.
Shauna
We've just
said they're
been
coming
putting
from
them in
Chinese
there,
people.
waiting a week or two, and then wait till they get about 6 inches long. And I don't know if you can tell or not, but they get these little nodules right there on the bottom of the
Daddy,
vine.
what are modules?
And then that's where the roots want to come out. And then they wait till they're 6 inches long or so, and then cut them off. And then hopefully we'll have a whole bunch of sweet potatoes this year. I just
We're
went
gardening
through,
now.
yeah,
We have to garden some
okay,
because
this morning, and there's 9 of them I got on there plant today as soon as I get.
we got some
ready
plants
to go.
down there, our grannies.
So,
And Granny
that's
doesn't know
a
that
quick,
we have
easy way to
garden.
make your own sweet potatoes. I just bought these out of the grocery store, and I think you're supposed to put the pointed end up. This one here is, for some reason, it's not sprouted out, and this one's really slow. Well, the other 3 are really
Lucy,
going to town on their
stop!
sprouts.
Lucy's putting these dishes in nail.
Yeah.
Lucy, now we have to
Girls,
start.
girls, be nice with the dishes.
Hi, Dad.
Then we got a garlic in there for trying to get it to sprout out too, so we can put it in the garden. I'll show a update here in a minute of what we got going on out there in the garden. I was going to show a little bit of how we were doing our starts. We put the potatoes in and just put some sticks all the way around it to hold it up. And then we've been going and just cutting them. I've been trying to leave, if you can see here, I've been trying to leave like one little leaf on each one. I don't know if that really matters or not, so they'll sprout back up. And then I'll cut that leaf off, and if you can see there, little root nodules where they're starting to root out. But this one's actually a little bit shorter than what we've been trying to do, but I cut this one off just for demonstration. Or take those and just slide them all in there. We've got a handful of them here, and after you cut them loose, cut them off and put them down in the water, and just leave them down in there, and make sure you fill the water every couple days, because the potatoes kind of seem like they absorb some of the water. These, you can see we got 9 of them that are ready to go in the ground. We've got, that doesn't take that long, just a couple days. They start getting some nice roots on them. Well, I'm gonna go out to the garden and put these in today. And you can see right where those little nodules come off, it grows the roots, and they go all the way up. So I believe you can lay them down into the ground and just poke the leaves up, and then they'll root there, and it'll root there, and it'll probably continue on if you buried it there as well. But anyhow, so it's super easy way. That's what happens if you get the leaves down below the water line. But super easy way to start your own sweet potatoes. And we got 5 potatoes here, and if we get 50 or 10 slips off of each one, we'll end up with 50 sweet potato plants that we can put in the ground. And who knows, we may end up with more than that off of them by the time we keep cutting them back. And it usually only takes 2 or 3 days for them to get about 6 inches long, and then cut them off. Except for this one, I don't know why this one's growing so slow, but it's super slow. I don't know, maybe it's a different kind of potato. And then this one here hasn't. I noticed today it's got one little bud right there where it's gonna start growing and leafing out. And I thought it wasn't doing anything. Anyhow, super easy way to put potatoes in. I guess we've had them in how long, Sean?
I don't know.
Probably going on 2.5 weeks, I guess. But super easy way to propagate them and get them started and start growing some more potatoes. Everybody ought to try it.